This Dutch Colonial, built in 1906, embodies the craftsmanship and character that make Burlington's older homes so distinctive. With just over 2,500 square feet, it's a generous 4-bedroom, 2-bath home that has evolved beautifully over time, honoring its history while embracing the needs of today's homeowner. Inside, refinished hardwood floors and fresh paint create a bright, polished feel. You'll notice the original woodwork and slate roof, hallmarks of quality construction from a different era. Yet the updates feel seamless. The kitchen is both stylish and functional, with granite countertops, stainless appliances, and a large center island that invites people to gather, whether for morning coffee or evening prep. Thoughtful design touches, from modern lighting to playful wallpaper, strike just the right balance between old and new. Upstairs, 4 bedrooms share a full bath with clean, modern finishes. Step outside and you'll find a new bluestone patio, a sunny backyard, and a detached garage, plus expanded parking, a rare luxury in this Burlington neighborhood. From this location, you're minutes from downtown, the UVM campus, the medical center, and the waterfront. A timeless Burlington home, blending historic architecture with everyday comfort, ready for its next chapter.